Tarragon, also known as estragon, is a species of perennial herb in the sunflower family. Tarragon is thought to be a native of Siberia and Mongolia. It is widespread and wild across much of Eurasia and North America, and is cultivated for culinary and medicinal purposes. Artemisia, Tarragon's genus, comes from the Greek goddess Artemis, known as Diana by the Romans, who was said to have given Tarragon and other Artemisias to Chiron, the centaur. French tarragon is a loose, open perennial growing to about 2 to 3 feet tall. Leaves are dark green, narrow, and slightly twisted. Plant will occasionally produce small, greenish flowers that are sterile. Leaves have a licorice or anise flavor. French tarragon has a fleshy root system that prefers a loose soil enriched with organic matter. However, it must be well drained. In fact, it is quite drought tolerant. If your soil is heavy and your climate hot and humid, you have the best chance of success by planting it in a container or hanging basket where it drains well and has good air circulation. Plants that companion well with tarragon are oregano, sage, lavender, dill, eggplant, basil, chives, cilantro, garlic, and lemon balm, and rosemary. Tarragon is known in France as the king of herbs. French tarragon is one of the most utilized herbs in French cuisine and is highly favored for its mild licorice-like flavor. It is also widely cultivated throughout the country, sold in tied French bunches at local markets for soups, sauces, roasted meat dishes, and vegetables. The leaves contain vitamins A and C, potassium, iron, manganese, folate, magnesium, calcium, and copper. Historically, ancient Greeks chewed tarragon and numbed the mouth to relieve toothaches. The leaves contain a compound known as eugenol, a natural anesthetic with antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antiseptic properties. The French also steeped the leaves into tea to induce sleep and treat insomnia.